In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually record an expense in QuickBooks Online. Manual entries are great for capturing cash or offline payments that don't flow in automatically from your bank feed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter an expense so your reports stay accurate and up to date. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the plus New button. From the menu, choose Expense. This opens a clean form where you'll detail who you paid, how you paid, and what the purchase was for. At the top, select the Payee. This is the person or company you paid. Picking the correct payee helps you track spending by vendor and makes future entries faster, because QuickBooks can remember your typical categories. Next, choose the payment account. This is the account the money actually came from, like a specific bank account, a credit card, or a cash-on-hand account. Matching this to where the funds left ensures your balances stay accurate and your reconciliations go smoothly. Enter the payment date. Use the date the money left your account or the date you handed over cash. Accurate dates matter for month-end reports and tax periods. Set the payment method. Select cash, check, or card. This adds clarity to your records and can help you filter transactions later if needed. Now assign the category. This is what the expense was for, such as utilities, office supplies, rent, or travel. Choosing the right category ensures your profit and loss report tells the right story. If you're unsure, think about how you'll want to see this spending when reviewing your reports, and be consistent with similar expenses in the future. Enter the amount. Type the total you paid for this expense. If there's sales tax included in your region and you track it, make sure the total reflects the full amount paid. You can add a description or memo to capture details like an invoice number, the purpose of the purchase, or the location of the spend. Clear notes save time when you or your accountant review transactions later. Attach a receipt if you have one. Uploading a clear photo or PDF keeps your documentation organized and makes audits or vendor questions much easier to handle. Make sure the receipt shows the date, vendor, and total. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to finish. If you have more expenses to enter, choose Save and New to keep going without leaving the form. That's it. You've successfully recorded a manual expense in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.